7 WKS for ice.
Yeah. What he loves to do right there.
Play around a little bit.
A lot.
That's my 9 and he is on station.
We've got 2 cars off that we know of.
Oh, really?
One of them is at instruction 6.
Okay.
That one sounds like it might need a winch.
On course.
Is that you?
That's me.
Okay. Well, I'm here to help whatever you need. You just let me know.
We'll find out when we get there. Oh, this sucks. Total slow speed.
Oh, no speed.
We'd usually be going 80.
Oh, really?
We'll just hop in, turn off all the traction control, turn the throttle controller up.
Get on, John.
Yeah.
Have you guys ran this already?
No.
Is this all new? I was just curious.
Yeah. Typically, I would do recce, so pre-drive it yesterday. But man, too much going on.
There you go.
Woke up Friday morning and didn't have a furnace anymore. So
Oh, no.
I couldn't leave leave home.
No.
Leave the wife and kid without.
Without heat?
Yeah.
No, so we respond out to North River 4-8 calls and stuff.
Right.
This is our route.
Oh, cool.
We can take the highway or we can take gravel. And then I grew up out here on 4-wheelers and shit.
Oh, nice.
My in-laws lived back a couple miles, the ex-in-laws. So we were on 4-wheelers out here a lot. They've logged a lot for us now though. It's changed a bit. It's pretty steep and windy up on the backside.
Not in instruction 5.
Should have.
Company down and all.
That's 99 stopping.
Wow, that's way off. Yep. Damn it.
There's one more off the road somewhere too.
Yep.
Relay S99.
This is supposed to be the worst one though?
Yep.
Yep. Not too shabby.
Start S99.
Kind of fuckered up and you'll run in now.
Anybody on stage 1 with a radio, S99. Car 404 has been pulled out. They're going to try to continue at speed from instruction 6.
No.
404.
She grinding.
Action tape up to the front.
Ryan's gonna drag him off. That means we gotta keep going. Okay. It's nice not being the new guy anymore.
So they wanted everyone to stay
Alright,
behind them, so once somebody gets in front of them, then their time is done. Gotcha.
Out of the road and continue sweeping the stage. So,
Maybe pull that one out of the way. Sorry.
Hey Ryan, also make sure you clear that limb out of the road.
404 has a broken axle. We are going to cut them off on the side of the road just past construction 6 and leave it there for their crew. Before
And you guys were right. The one with the Ferrari motor was pretty impressive sounding and smelling.
Yep. It's the first time you ever hear that car launch, everybody just starts giggling.
Hell yeah.
It's like,
and S99 is continuing down stage.
Bunch of kids. Say you do a lot around PIR too?
what's that?
You do a lot of PIR, you said too?
Well, we have Oregon Trail Rally.
Oh, okay.
Fridays there. The first day is at PIR.
Okay.
And since I live there,
Yeah. Makes it nice and easy.
yeah, I can show up as soon as the gates are open, do some things to try to help out.
Keep an eye out. We're still lifting my car, but you got to know what the third of the way through the gate. We are coming back, and I am not seeing anything, so yeah, I don't.
Very good. I thought I heard it was a mechanical, so they shouldn't be off, but we'll look.
Sounds good. 99 passing instruction 10. 98 passing instruction 10. Relay S99. Relay S99. Have you guys heard if car 7-1 made it through or if they're still off? Finish of car 7-1 completed.
They have not. Okay.
S99. No car 7-1 is finished. And then is that the only one? Finish, or are there any other cars missing on the list? Finish, do you show any other cars missing besides car 7-1 and car 404? The back accepted. How many cars started the stage?
Oh my lord, these people are not.
right there?
S99, you have a car count. That was 32 that started. S99 reports 32 started.
It shouldn't matter. All of them should have something like this.
S99
Gotcha.
So
Makes it pretty easy when you can. It's numbered. I'm not stupid, but numbering is
S99 is passing instructions.
it should be
pretty straightforward.
yeah.
14.
Yeah, I can figure this out by just a quick glance. So.
Yeah. Yep, you got a start time, you got a finish time.
And
there's
you've
a
got a
midpoint
number.
section.
Yeah.
Well, supposedly we're expecting car 71, but I don't see
That's typically not good, is it, if you can't find the car?
Oh, we're still at. Is this instruction 19?
15. How many are there?
I have no idea. I've got the route book, but
No big deal. Then do you go on to the second leg, or is there another crew on the second leg?
there's another crew. Because they've already started that.
Gotcha.
9890 and 99 have instructions 15.
Awesome, thanks.
S99 stopping is past instruction.
There it is.
16 with car 71. S99 is stopping at instruction 16 with car 71.
If you want, you can run back and grab
Triangle?
triangle.
Absolutely.
Or it looks like green light got it.
Relay, this is Finish. How it's going to operate when we do the swap. Are we remaining in position and becoming the start team, or are we transiting to the end of the stage to remain the finish team? Stage Captain, Relay.
Roger, the only people moving are, no hands are moving. The only people that are moving are the people who are running start, line finish, ATC, and stop.
Car 71 is out with the mechanical. Sweep is going to pull them to finish. S99 and S98 will be continuing downstage. Get your step done.
Did the person requesting stage captain copy?
This is Relay. Finish was asking if who's swapping positions.
I started talking to them walking.
Affirmative. Can you repeat?
The hands are staying where they are. The only people that are moving are the start crew, the line finish crew, the ATC crew, and the stop crew.
Finish. Captain reports the hams are staying in position. The start crew, the flying finish, ATC, and stop are all swapping positions. Okay, that sounds good. We might request an easy up because the finish crew is going to take the easy up they have with them. Hey, this is S99. Please hold arrangements until after we're switched off stage. Car 71 is out with the mechanical and will be pulled to the finish. S99 and S98 are continuing downstage. S99 and S98 are continuing downstage, and please remain in position until further instruction. S99 pass instruction 20. S99
699 passes instruction 20.
Clean off that window a little bit.
Got themselves a little fire.
Yeah, the through the piston through. Turn the throttle down. Alright. I should have put the other strap on him. It's a lot easier going. There's no stretch in this rope.
Pretty badass mirror, I must say.
I love it.
Yeah.